evening, everyone. Today, I'm going to present a NOCICEPTIVE evaluation of Lyophilized extract of Lopinus Mutabilis Tarwi in experimental animals. Improved Lopinus Mutabilis, known as Tarwi, is a native species that contains carnosiline alkaloids, mainly lupinine, and aspartame with a total content ranging of 0.02% to 3.17%. Although it has been proven that the alkaloids are toxic, improved choice water has been used broadly and traditionally for medical purposes since ancient time. The Lopinus is a globally important genus and the only American member of the genus Lopinus that has been investigated and cultivated. Pain is the most frequent cause of the patient visits to doctor, and its relief should be one of the main reasons for medicine. The World Health Association and the International Association for the Study of Pain consider the treatment of pain as one of the human rights of people. Nociception is the only common stage in all the non-recessive stages. Here are some alkaloids, and here is the mechanism of action, the ligand-receptor interactions, the non-selective interaction of saponins and lipoxylic terpenoids with membranous and membranous proteins. Some pharmacological effects. Helio animals are adapted to laboratory conditions only 5 days before the test. They are pulled from treatment. The substance to be tested can be administered in the diet proofs, and we have to be careful to avoid produce toxic effects. The sample are 110 albino rats, and the plantar test was performed. Helio animals are adapted to laboratory conditions only 5 days before the trial. They are grouped together for treatment. The test substance may be administered in diet, and we have to be careful to produce toxic effects. These tests have been used to evaluate the analgesic capacity of various drugs in preclinical models of OA and can be developed in most rats. To do this, we place the animal on the glass surface inside a metal tride enclosure. Here is some of the plantar heat test. The plantar heat test, the instrument basically consists of movable high-air source glass pane upon which the rat enclosure is located, a controlled enclosure with 3 compartments, which has been provided to speed up the test when a number of animals are involved and evaluated. For simulation of plantar pets in narcotic studies up to 12 mice and 6 rats, or other animals such as cats or rabbits, heat intensity adjustable in 1%, increment over room temperature up to 215 degrees. To show the normal distribution of the data obtained in the NOCICEPTIVE evaluation by plantar test on rats, the PER test was used to evaluate the time of withdrawal of the pole compared with placebo groups and morphine. It was observed that all the groups followed with normal distribution. The statistical significance is only conferred when comparing the effects of the morphine 10 mg with placebo. Here is the table with the results we obtained of this test. Some effects and the nociceptive Lopinus Mutabilis in the POT test. Traditional medical plants has been used over the years with the aim of suppressing discomfort of various clinical conditions, mainly pain. For this work, we used plant Mutabilis, with better known as Tarwi of Joshua, which has a history of use since Brinker's time. In the plantar test on albino rats to assess the effects on the nociceptive effects and statistical significance was found. It's necessary to extend this study to evaluate the anti-ulcer and anti-carcinogenic activities attributed to it at the popular level, as well as to carry out subchronic and chronic toxicity studies to obtain greater safety and its use. The Lopinus Mutabilis is part of the use of traditional Indian medicine improved for its properties in the treatment of some inflammatory diseases. For this reason, it is necessary to spread the pharmacological properties to know its characteristics and make some treatments of some pathologies of pain. Thank you.